Hey, how's it going? I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this key fob. This key fob is a 2014 Ford Escape, but a lot of similar year Fords also share this key fob. You need two things. First, you need a screwdriver with a flat tip, and you also need a new battery. It takes the 2032 battery, and there's a link below to Amazon. I got these for about $5, and that link will take you right there. So what you want to do is on this corner here, put your screwdriver right there and twist up, and then you can just kind of pry it up there a little bit. Use your fingers, finish the rest. Now there's a little rubber piece in here, so just be mindful of that. It goes just like that when you put it back. Okay, so take the old battery out, get your new battery, put that in, this end in first, then take your top part here and give it a good little squeeze, and you're all set. Hopefully that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.